22.2 footer on a load right trailer, and I'm restoring this boat. I've actually done some hull work on it already that I wanted to show you. If we go underneath the boat, there was a hole in the hull that's right here that I took, and I'm going to try to show you here if I can get in here. This right here was all cut out of the hull and replaced with fiberglass. Now, the fiberglass has been sanded all around the edges as far as 2 layers go. I'm going to put another layer on the bottom, but it seems that it is a really strong bond, and I'm going to go ahead and backfill it from inside with epoxy resin and hardener, and it should create a nice solid piece of with the coarse using fabric in between layers as well. It should form a nice strong bond for the hull. Especially this takes, as you can see, the most of the beating of the hull is taking on the waves right here. So I'm in the process now of just doing the preliminaries, but I got this boat for a song, and even though it needed some work, it is one of the top restorable boats in America. And there's the kind of the back corner of it right here, and I've got the center console flipped upside down because I'm working on the bottom and the controls and the electronics and the gimbals and all that fun stuff. Also, I got the floor torn up. The floor was soft across the back, so I took it up and I'm putting down 1/2-inch plywood, marine grade plywood, that's going to be backed with fiberglass on the back side closest to the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and fiberglass the top of it too, just to keep water and rain runoff and just plain water away from the most important parts of the, and down, they'll run down into the bilge, and if there's any water, it'll just come out the back end. Alright, so at any rate, what that's going to be is it's going to be a cross member piece that goes underneath the flooring, and then I'm going to refit the flooring back down, which is a non-skid surface. And then I'm debating whether I'm going to cut this whole piece out to the back and then just go ahead and fiberglass the whole plywood piece and then just go ahead and put non-skid paint. So I'm just contemplating that right now, so I'll just keep you informed. Looks like also my gauges and everything like that's going to have to be taken out and cleaned and refitted. So there's a lot of work left in this boat, but what I also wanted to show you was on the transom back here. This was cracked. Now the transom's in fine shape. It's a solid